solve x times x minus 1 equals 20. Now notice that this side is in factored form, x times x minus 1, but this side of the equation is not equal to 0. We cannot use the principle of zero products unless one side of the equation is 0. So we actually have to multiply this back out, subtract 20 from both sides, and then factor again in order to use the principle of zero products. So let's do that. We have x squared minus x equals 20. That's multiplying. Subtracting 20 from both sides, we have x squared minus x minus 20 equals 0. Now, since 0 is on one side, we want to factor this polynomial. We have x minus 5 times x plus 4 equals 0. Now we can use the principle of zero products, setting x minus 5 equal to 0. We also set x plus 4 equal to 0. Solving for x, we have x equals 5, or x equals negative 4, subtracting 4 from both sides of this equation. Both 5 and negative 4 will check in this original equation, so we can say the solutions are 5 and negative 4.